Hello friends, this is Brian Lathe, and I'm going to try to do my best here to recreate several days here of really tinkering with this bot a lot, and I've learned an awful lot of things. So what I've learned especially is I've learned to come in here under More and then click this Edit Price and then work with this lower and upper limit as well as a little bit with the grid quantity. Okay? And then I've also learned how to go in here under parameters and set a stop loss and a take profit. So I have noticed that there's a trigger price here, but I'm not really sure how to actually get in there and activate that, because when I click right there, it's the take profit one. So I don't know if that's actually clickable, if maybe that's a future feature, but right now I don't really know what that is. So maybe I'll get a chance to talk with Pionex again. I'll try to see if I can do that. But I'm just tinkering around with this and trying to do as much as I can to learn and maximize this. I've been messing around mostly with the Shiba Inu bot. So I've got a lot of pictures and so forth I can show you and go through. So I've been using TradingView, and I've actually just been using the free TradingView account. Okay, and I've been drawing my my trend lines with the purple, and I've been drawing my lower limit. This is my basically my not my lower limit, but my my stop loss. Where I set the stop loss, I've been drawing that as a red line, and my take profit, which is if the coin goes really high, I'll take profit at that level. So essentially, this bot only trades within the trading range that you give it. So those are the numbers right here, where it will do the low end and the high end. You can see them right there, and then you can go over here and change them if you want to right here. But you know, so when you're looking at the chart, you can kind of go, okay, I really want to work within this trading range here. So the bot will only trade within those ranges that you set. And if you you know, if the coin ever were to go below that or go above that, it'll just simply kind of be on pause and not really trade. Now, if you set the stop loss or the take profit and the coin goes above or below those lines, then it will essentially completely close out of the bot, and the bot will just be done. It won't even. So when you go back under here and look at my trading bots, it won't even show up anymore. So that bot will be completely over, and then if you told it to sell all your positions, that money will become USDT, and it'll be available for setting up into another bot if you want to do that. So so basically I've been kind of following this along, and on Sunday I was in this trading bot all through this really lull period, and then I got a lot of this gain on Sunday. So I have an earlier video on my channel where I talked about earning a lot of money off of this gain. Then I started the bot back up, and I've been kind of playing with these trends right here. So I've been kind of setting the stop losses, and a couple times there have been some drops where it broke down below the trend I was watching here and here, and my stop losses stopped me out. So I have had a couple times of that. For the most part, I've stayed earning money and not losing too much money. But I believe this particular one did grab me. So if you look at my bots now, I've only been doing all the manipulation with Shiba Inu. The other twos have been absorbing all the market conditions. So that's why they're currently in the red right now, because the market overall today is currently red. You know, most of the coins out here on Crypto Bubbles, except for just a few, you know, are mostly in the red. So that's why all my bots are down today. But Shiba Inu, I was trying to stay much more in the positive by doing some manipulation, but this particular drop did grab me. I didn't have a stop loss set up here, and then of course I when that broke that trend, I absorbed that loss. So that's why I'm negative right now. But I did have a lot of success as I was very, very closely watching all these things. I was letting the bot do the trading, but I was kind of manipulating some parameters to keep things in really, really good shape. And I found that to be working. So I'm going to keep doing that as much as possible. So here's just a chart to show that I kind of mapped out that original trend back here. And that was initially this one here that I was mapping out. And then I did set up a stop loss, and then I was eventually stopped out by that one. So that one came up here and then dropped below. So I didn't take the impact of this one because I did set that stop loss up. So that was very nice. Okay, then we come over here, and as it broke up, these might be a little bit out of order, I'm not exactly sure, but as this one broke up, I moved up my stop loss. Oh, so that's probably what set me up. That was probably up in here when it broke above. That's what set me up so that I didn't have to gain that whole loss there. I probably actually set that stop loss up here and then missed it because of that. Yep, so there's that showing where it went down and initially hit that and stopped me out. And then after it stopped me out, I noticed that this trend was starting to happen, so I set another line there, and then I set my stop loss up here, and then that one stopped me out. So here's that second one stopping me out. Where is that exactly? Probably up in here. So I missed, I think I missed this one, but then I was expecting this one to go higher, and I didn't set a stop loss, and it caught me. So that's the one where I definitely did get caught, and all that happened. But I've learned through watching these trends that definitely adjusting these parameters keeps a tighter rein on holding in the profits and not absorbing so many losses. So to the extent that I can find coins that this strategy really, really works with, I will do my best to do this and keep showing here on YouTube my results and how this is working for me. So this is a learning progress right here, and hope you are enjoying the videos and are also maybe learning how to trade with the Pionex bots as well. I'm also going to be using some other bots as well with Kucoin and Eazybot, and I encourage you to move along with me on those as well, and we will have a very exciting future. Talk to you soon in another video. Bye for now.